Now Dhoni, you can see, get underneath it, and a helicopter shot. It goes many a mile once again. This is brilliant batting.
Shot. There it is, he's standing deep in the crease, and then the helicopter shot comes into play. Once again the bottom man. There it is, the helicopter shot. Wow.
Oh, the helicopter's out. It's gone miles in the air and way back into the crowd.
Oh, well, the helicopter shot. There it is. Oh, the chopper. And he's watching it. He knows it's gone, but he wants to see how far it's gone. The moment it was a hit of the middle, everybody knew it was going to go out. But how far out? It's gone over the roof. The ball's lost. It's gone out of the ground.
That was worth coming to the Chinnaswamy Stadium. Watch it every day of the week. They are brilliant. Unbelievable. Outstanding shot.
Goes again, bottom hand, over Warner, second six.
Look at the helicopter, look at the bottom. Oh, wonderful shot.
Work with the wrist, propelling the ball in the air. Tempted to ask him if there was a helipad at the ground. He's...
लेकिन उतनी दूरी नहीं मिली, क्योंकि अगर आप शॉट पे रिप्ले पे देखेंगे तो जो बायां हाथ था वो बैट से हट गया था। सशक्त मलिंगा जो मर्जी डाल रहे हैं, आज उसमें चौका पड़ रहा है और रोस्टम के वहां बॉल थी क्योंकि मिड ऑफ ऊपर था। ऐसा लगा कि धोनी ने ऑन साइड में मारने की कोशिश किया, पर जब दिन हो तो जा रहा है जहां पे आपको रन मिल जाएगा।
Dhoni is the goal. He's hit it in the air. Fila trying to get underneath it. And he's gone all the way. Now.
There you go. That'll do. I'm not quite sure what he did there, but it's very, very effective.
In the air, maybe safe. He's safe. Reaches the boundary somehow.
Missed time this. Have a look at this shot. It's gone wrong completely. He's almost sliced it straight up, and look where it bounces. 5 meters and
10 of the over. Goes again. Make it 6 more. 16 of the over.
And what a shot again. If the previous one was on the onside, this one's on the offside. You can't keep this man quiet. Wow.
Well, they're loving it.
In the air, it's a short boundary, and it's 6. It was a miss hit, a total miss hit from Dhoni, but he's hitting to the right end, and it went sailing over Simon's head. It was just in front of us. Simon's had no shot.
Dhoni finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup after 28 years. The parties start in the dressing room, and it's an Indian captain who's been absolutely magnificent in the night of the final.